Good afternoon guys, I am going to start today conditional formatting topic in Excel. So what is the conditional formatting? How to highlight the data in Excel we will do today. Okay. For example, there is a lot of as yesterday we have already discussed all these things: highlight, cell rule, top and bottom, data bar, color, icon set. All these things we have already done. Okay. So now today we will discuss about new rule, clear rule and manage rule. Okay. So what is the use of new rule? In that we can apply the formula. Suppose how we can apply the formula. For example, I want to highlight those data which is product is LED. Okay, in green color. Right. So how we can do that? Just we have to see. Either you want to highlight only the first column, only the LED, only the LCD, then you can select only the column. So whatever data you will select, it will highlight. So you can select the data first, suppose column, go to the conditional formatting, new rule. So in that new rule, we have to choose, because we are writing the formula, then we have to use a formula to determine which cell to format. In that we have to write the formula is equal to this cell. Column fix. Why we will do the column fix? Because Excel will search the data in whole D column. So that is why we have to fix the column D. Then what is the condition? Column D is equal to LED. It should be LED TV. Okay. So we have given the condition. After giving the condition, you will get the format option. Just you have to click the format option. Then fill option. We can choose any color. Like suppose I select green color and OK. So you can see here LED TV we can highlight. But we can highlight only the LED product, not the entire row. If you want to highlight the entire row, okay, so you have to select the entire data. Then only entire row will highlight. For example, first of all, we have done the condition. Now we have to clear the rules. So we will go for the condition formatting and we will click on clear rule. Okay, and clear from selected. So now there is no condition formatting formula. Got it? Or else we can select and we can edit the formula here. Manage. We can edit the formula, we can delete the rule. So we can delete the rule and okay. So right now there is no formula in this data. What I can do it? Again I can select entire range and I can go for conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine, and here we can write is equal to this cell. Again column fix, we have to fix the column. Is equal to LED D. Okay, now we can go to the format option and we can select any color. Okay, so now full data will highlight. Okay, now suppose for example, this is the amount column, and in the amount column we have some value. We have some value. So first of all, again if I want to clear this formula, what shall I do? I will go to the conditional formatting, manage rule, this, delete rule, and okay. So I have deleted all the formula. Now the next condition is, we want to highlight the entire data if the salary, if the amount column data is more than 50,000 rupees. Only those data we have to highlight. If the amount is more than 50,000. So entire row we have to highlight. We'll select the entire row. Conditional formatting. We'll go to new rule. Again we'll use this formula. is equal to, we'll use this cell more than $50. Okay, so it should come, suppose for example, in this sky blue. So whenever you will write the data more than 50,000 rupees, it will highlight. If the data will be for less than 50,000 rupees, it will not highlight. So this is the concept of like conditional formatting. Whenever we want to highlight the data, then we have to use this conditional formatting. Okay. Now the next question is, suppose for example, I want to highlight the data which is start from S character. Which is start from S character. So how we can highlight that formula? See, first of all, we have to find out S character, right? So there is a formula that is called left. Is equal to left. So if I write is equal to left, text is there, we can select the text, comma, we can select, we need first character, right? So we'll write first, bracket close, enter. So we are getting the S. So same formula we have to use in the conditional formatting. Just we have to type here. I have to select this data. Conditional formatting. New rule. We use a formula to determine is equal to left bracket open. Is equal to left bracket open. Then what is this? We have to select the first cell, column fix row open, comma, first. Because we need only the first character. Bracket close. First character we have to highlight if it is S. So this is the formula. We have to give the left formula is equal to S. If the first character will come S, it should highlight in this color. So you can see Sumit Sharma, Surajit Sen and Sumit Sharma will highlight. Okay. Then again the same condition. If the last character will be N or if Y. Suppose last character is Y, then it should highlight. Last character is Y, then it should highlight. So again same process we can do it. We can select the range. Okay, first of all we'll clear all the formula. Okay, now what is the question?
Y.
Y, right? So I'll write here conditional formatting. I'll write new rule. I'll write is equal to right bracket. Okay, I'll select the same cell. Again column fix row open, comma. So if I will give comma, then it will ask like which character from right side. From right side, first character we want to highlight. So we'll type 1. Bracket close. Okay. So after bracket close is equal to what character should come here?
Y.
Y. So we'll write here Y. Then which color? It should come in, suppose in red color. So you can see wherever the last character will be Y, it will highlight. Whether it will be Devanshish Way or whether it will be Ajit Roy. Okay. So like that we can highlight. The next thing is, suppose I want to highlight the weekend. Suppose if the date is Saturday and is Sunday. Okay, if Saturday, Sunday will be there, then the data should come in red color. So we have already done the weekday function, remember? Okay, so first of all, I will clear all these things. Clear rule. I'll select this data, conditional formatting, I'll go for new. Okay, so before that, I'll just show you the formula, like how it will work weekday function. So is equal to, we have to highlight Saturday and Sunday, right? So is equal to weekday bracket open. Serial number, this, comma, return type what? 1, 2, 3, 11. So if I type 1, then Sunday will be 1 and Saturday will be 7. So we are not able to highlight, because if I will give less than 7, then Sunday will be 1, Sunday will highlight only. If I give 1 more than 1, then like less than 2. So when is there? Only 1 will highlight, 7 will highlight. Okay, so we cannot do it. But if I will type 2, then 7 is Sunday, 6 is Saturday. So if I give more than 5, that means 6 will be there, 7 will be there. 6 will highlight Saturday, Sunday will highlight. Okay? Now I write 2. So let's see, is there any date for Saturday, Sunday? Yes. This is the date for Saturday and this is the date for Sunday. So I have to highlight these 2 dates. Right? I can select the data. I can go to the conditional formatting, new rule, and then I can go for this option. Again, I can write here is equal to weekday bracket open, date column, column 6 row open, comma 2. Why 2? Because if I write 2, then Sunday will be 7 and Saturday will be 6. So I have to highlight the data more than 5. No, if I give more than 6, then only Sunday will highlight. But we have to highlight more than 5. Then we have to do it for more than 5. That means 6 and 7 both will highlight. So we can select this and okay. So you can see Saturday and Sunday both we can highlight. Is it clear? Now one more formula is there. Suppose for example I have to highlight the duplicate value. If suppose first of all I will clear this. Okay, so if I clear this and I select the data, I have to highlight only the duplicate value. Conditional formatting, new rule, I will go for use a formula to determine this option. I will write here is equal to count if bracket open. Count if bracket open, then select the range, full range, comma, first cell. Okay, bracket close, conditional formatting, color, okay, it should come is equal to 1 time. Okay, it's just we can write converting new rule is equal to count if bracket open, select the range, fix, comma, first cell is equal to 1 time. Now if I give the color, it will come. Okay, so we are selecting this all data, right? So that is why it is coming, like LED is also, washing machine is also highlight, all these things is highlight, right? So I'll select this one. If I go for this, is equal to count it, bracket open. If I select the range, then comma, first cell, bracket close is equal to 1. Now if I give the color, so you can see, if I write here 49,000 rupees, okay, or else we can write here if we want to highlight the duplicate value. So we can just go to the top and bottom and highlight, and here we will get the duplicate value. So like that, just you can click here. In which color you want to highlight? Suppose I want to highlight in red color or in yellow color. We can highlight in yellow color.
So in income tax, the share which you had, you hold in your hand, that share is nothing but an asset.
So clear rule, I will do first clear rule. I'll try one more time. Select conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine is equal to
Say that share is a capital asset.
count if bracket open. You can select the entire
When
range,
you transform, that is, when you sell a capital asset,
comma. We can select first range,
so what is it?
bracket close is equal to 1. Color. So 49 is coming 2 times, 3000 is coming 2 times, 74,000 is coming 2 times, 9,000 is coming 2 times, and 1,000 is coming 2 times. So all the duplicate value we can highlight in the conditional format. So in this way, either we can use the duplicate option from the conditional formatting from here, or else we can use this formula. We can use this formula this one. We can highlight the conditional formula. Like we can highlight the duplicate data. So this is all about the conditional formatting. There is a lot of things is there, right? Suppose I'll give you one question that is thought for the day. I want to highlight the data if product is LED and the customer name will start with S. The one condition is if the product will be LED and the character, the first customer name character start from S. So those data should come in red color. Okay? Got it? Did you get the condition? The condition is product should be LED and the customer name should start from S character. Those data should come in red color. Suppose it is starting from S and it is LED TV. It should highlight in red color. Okay? It is LED TV but it is not starting from S. So it should not highlight. So this is the question. You have to think and you have to solve it. I'll check tomorrow. Okay? So thank you so much.